Books.com is very well known for picking things that are very unusual and also at fantastically discounted prices. This book was published at £50 and through us it's just £8. £8. It's called Birds New to Britain, 1980 to 2004, and it's chronologically arranged when each was discovered, what their characteristics are, and this is an absolute first. So you too could send in your discoveries and have it in the next edition of this book. Whether you find a greyish-brown flanks or markings you've never seen, a juvenile purple martin. This will make every birder's year. Colour plates as well, published at £50, now just £8 through bibliophilebooks.com.